Hello everybody, mega goal number 5, third secondary 11 form meaning function, pages 64 and 65. Now let's move on to the objectives and let's take a look at them. The first objective, comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. The second one, words connected with space and planetary system. راح نتكلم عن الصفات والمقارنة طبعا في حالة الcomparative والsuperlative adjectives. راح أوضح لكم. راح نتكلم عن كلمات لها علاقة بالفضاء والنظام الكواكب. طبعا بالنسبة للهدف الثاني فهذا بيكون part 2 because we have already discussed some of the words which are related to space and the planetary system previously. بيكون هذا طبعا الجزء الثاني لأننا ناقشنا بعض الكلمات اللي لها علاقة بالفضاء ونظام الكواكب سابقا. Now let's move on to pages 64 and 65 and get ready to follow up with me. Now the first thing we will be talking about أول حاجة راح نتكلم عنها اللي هي comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. وقبل ما نبدأ طبعا بس أحب أوضح لكم different types of adjectives. طبعا انتوا عارفين ال adjectives اللي هي الصفات والصفات عادة نستخدمها to describe nouns. Okay, so this is what we mean by adjectives. We have three types of adjectives, ثلاث أنواع. We have the short adjective, long adjective and irregular adjective. A short adjective اللي هي الصفات القصيرة بمعنى أنه when I pronounce them تتكون من one syllable. For example, big, cheap, small, short, one syllable. As for the long adjectives like beautiful, popular, expensive, they consist of more than one syllable, أكثر من مقطع. فلو تلاحظون طريقة نطق لهم beautiful, okay, popular, okay. As for the irregular adjectives اللي هي طبعا irregular معناها غير منتظم لا يتبع قاعدة معينة. And they are good, bad, well when it is related to health, far اللي هي البعد old طبعا لما تكون لها علاقة members of your family when it comes to age العمر. Now let's move on to the first thing which is the comparative adjectives. The comparative adjectives they are used when you compare between two things or people. مقارنة بين شيئين أو شخصين. طبعا I have here two examples طبعا small and popular. Small which is considered to be yes a short adjective, so small is a short adjective and popular is a long adjective. Now let's take a look here. So when I'm comparing لما أقارن and the adjective يعني I'm comparing between two things or two people والصفة عندي هنا قصيرة, so small will be smaller than. As for the long adjective بالنسبة للصفة الطويلة اللي هي popular, so here it's gonna be more or less popular than. طبعا ممكن البعض يسأل على أي أساس استخدم more وعلى أي أساس استخدم less. طبعا يعتمد على معنى الجملة. So more أكثر و less أقل. More أكثر و less أقل. Okay. Now let's move on and let's take a look at the examples. نشوف الأمثلة. Goldfish are smaller than clownfish. So here we have the adjective small and I'm comparing two fish اللي هو goldfish and clownfish. So smaller than. Okay, طبعا ممكن تقولون لي ليش استخدمت هنا R. طبعا انتوا عارفين ان الفيش السنجلر نفس المفرد. So if I say two fish and one fish, it's all the same. Okay. Now let's move on to the next example which is detective stories more طبعا إذا حسب المعنى popular than stories about space travel. More if you think they are طبعا more أكثر. Less if you think that they are أقل. Okay. So نستخلص القاعدة. As for the short adjective I add ER وطبعا than, don't forget. As for the long adjective more or less and the long adjective and then. Okay, so is that clear? So this is regarding comparative adjectives. when you are comparing two things or two people. Now as for the irregular adjective, لأن قلت لكم إنه في صفات كذلك غير منتظمة. good طبعا well وbad وfar وold. طبعا good it will be better than. well which is يعني لما نتكلم عن الصحة related to health, better than. as for bad it will be worse than. far اللي هو البعد, farther than or further than, يعني هنا إما مع A أو باليو R. further than or further than إما بالA or باليو. as for old, older or elder than, إما هذا أو هذا. So okay, so this is what we mean by irregular adjectives. طبعا هنا طبعا في comparative المقارنة بين شيئين أو شخصين. So this book is better than. طبعا لو تلاحظون غير منتظم لا يتبع قاعدة معينة, فهنا لازم أحفظهم. This book is better than this one. أفضل من. I am older or elder than my sister. أنا أكبر من أختي. Okay, so this is regarding irregular adjectives. Now we use words such as a little, slightly, much, considerably, وفي بعض الكلمات اللي تذكرها في كتابكم to express how much something differs to or to add emphasis. ممكن استخدمهم عشان أوضح الفرق أو إني أبغى أضيف تأكيد هذه الكلمات. I have an example. Children's TV films are considerably better than they used to be. طبعا هنا I want to add more emphasis or to show that there is something different مثل ما هو موضح عندكم. Also we use the comparative اللي هي المقارنة بين شيئين, comma the comparative يعني twice, but to describe two actions. The second action happens as a result of the other one. لما إيش يكون نتيجة الحدث الثاني نتيجة عن الحدث الأول, يعني نتيجة. The more لو تلاحظون, sorry I've erased it. The more, let me just highlight it. The more, which is the comparative هنا. The more I hear about the Giza pyramid, the more, comma طبعا, I want to know. الحدث الأول نتيجة للحدث الثاني. يعني مثلا كل ما سمعت أكثر عن الأهرامات كل ما حبيت أكثر إني أعرف عنها. Okay? So this is just something which is mentioned in your book. Now let's move on to the next part in adjective, الجزء الثاني في الadjective, which is the superlative adjectives. Be careful when you pronounce it. It is pronounced superlative. Okay? Now I use it to compare between more than two things. أكثر من شيئين أو شخصين وهكذا. Okay, you can say in class or in my family, in the world. Okay, now let's move on to طبعا to the adjectives. As you know, we have the short adjectives and we have the long adjectives. As for the short adjectives, which consist of one syllable, like tall, I say the tallest. Sorry, so it's got to be the tallest, the. Okay, as for the long adjective, I have expensive. I say either the most, اللي هي الأكثر, or the least, اللي هي الأقل. Okay, so either the most expensive or the least expensive, and again it depends on the meaning, على المعنى. I have an example. I am the tallest girl in my family. So this is superlative والصفة قصيرة, so it's got to be the tallest. Okay. This is the most expensive watch in the world. So in the world, this is a superlative adjective. الصفة طويلة, it will be the most expensive. So is that clear? Now let's move on to the irregular adjective and the superlative form. And as I said previously, they do not follow a certain rule, so you have to memorize them. Again, these adjectives are good, well, far, old, and bad. So good, it will be the best. Well, the best طبعا when it is related to health, العلاقة بالصحة. Far is the furthest, either with A or with U. Okay. old the oldest or the eldest. طبعا هنا old ما أقصد فيه قديم، أقصد فيه بالمقارنة بالعمر. And bad, it's got to be the worst. So if you could realize, they do not follow a certain rule. You just have to memorize them. تحفظهم. So I have here two examples. Ahmed's mark is the best in class. So this is superlative and I have the adjective good. So I do not say the goodest. No, I say the best. Okay. I am girl in the family or in my family, the eldest or the oldest. Okay. Either or, both of them are considered to be correct. Now we can use the expression by far to add emphasis. By far استخدمها عشان أضيف تأكيد. So The Lion King, by far the best TV film of all. So here I used by far to express emphasis عشان أعبر عن التأكيد. The last thing we will be discussing is as plus the adjective as good as bad as excellent as. Okay? Now I use it when to compare or things that are equal or the same. So as معناها شيئين متساويين أو متشابهين. So I have here an example. Finding Nemo is as good as Toy Story. So here I mean by it أقصد فيها إن Finding Nemo جيد بمستوى جودة Toy Story. طبعا equal or similar. طبعا الصفة لاحظها بدون أي إضافات، قصيرة طويلة، لازم تكون الصفة نفسها as bad as tall as بدون أي إضافات. Okay. Now as for the opposite اللي هي العكس not as adjective as يعني يجي قبل as الأولى not. Okay. Now to compare things that are different. So here not as I mean by it that two things are different مختلفين. Okay. Now Finding Nemo and Toy Story are good TV films but not as good as The Lion King. So here what I mean by it that they are not equal, not the same, they are different. Okay, they are different. يعني they are not as of the same level of how good يعني مش نفس مستوى الجودة. خلاص. So this is regarding not as. طبعا مثل ما ذكرت لكم الصفة هنا أحطها سواء طويلة قصيرة irregular بدون أي إضافات. Now let's move on. Sorry. طبعا this is all. Yeah. يعني خلصنا. بس I'm gonna go through words which are connected with space and planetary system part 2. طبعا انتوا عارفين السولار سيستم النظام الشمسي في بعض الكلمات اللي درسناهم سابقا بس بوضح لكم إياها بسرعة. يعني كلمات we use it to talk about space and planetary system. So as you know مثل ما تعرفون we have 8 primary planets 8 كواكب رئيسية. Let's go through them. So here we have the name of the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's pronounced Neptune. Okay, sorry. So Neptune. Now, when you talk about them, you talk about how far they are from the sun. So distant from the sun. So as you could see, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. As for Neptune, it's considered to be the furthest planet from the sun. Okay. Radius اللي هو نصف القطر. And here we have the numbers. Number of moons. طبعا تعرفون ان كل واحد اللي هو المونز القمر اللي يتبعه. So these are the number of moons regarding each planet. And we have here geographical features or space facts. طبعا you can just go through them. And طبعا تعرفون انه we live on planet Earth because it's rocky, inhabited يعني قابلة للسكن, mountains and volcanoes اللي هي جبال وكذلك فيها براكين. Okay. Now we can just try to make up sentences. طبعا قبل ما أختم بس إنه بقول لكم إنه here there is a note. طبعا ممكن يعني أنتوا باعتقادكم إن Pluto is considered to be a planet. No, not anymore. So we have 8 primary planets and Pluto is considered to be a dwarfal يعني كوكب قزم, dwarfal planet. Okay, so you can make up sentences with these planets. يعني you can make sentences you can make sentences about these planets using the superlative and the comparative adjectives. ممكن تستخدمون ال comparative وال superlative adjectives عشان نكون أسئلة عن جمل عن الكواكب. So you can say Mercury is the closest planet to the Earth. Venus is considered to be the hottest planet. Okay, and as for example, the coldest planet on Earth, no, it's not on Earth, in our solar system, Uranus. Uranus is the coldest. The furthest planet in our solar system is Neptune. Okay, so you can just try to make up sentences using the comparative and superlative adjectives, and you will find it very easy after all. And before I end this lesson, I just would like to draw your attention to something which is, as I discussed previously, is irregular comparative and superlative adjectives. And these are them. You can just memorize them by heart, and also it's very important مهم جدا انه يعني إن I know how to spell them, اني اعرف كيف اكتبهم. So right now we have reached the end of the lesson. I hope that you found this lesson easy as I find it myself. يعني انه انا اشوف الدرس جدا سهل. It's just a matter of something that you have already studied previously, and it's something that is repeated. يعني شيء جدا معاد. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and give me a thumb up. And of course I'm gonna يعني راح أنزل I'm gonna download all the summary of this lesson in my في قناتي على التليجرام, وراح أحط رابط القناة في description box below. Till next time, have a good one.